species has great curiosity.
Park Service check dam.
We're in the bay.
But there's a reservoir with it. These people did manage water, and they did grow crops out here. But this is called Hungo Pavi. Hungo Pavi is another one of the great houses. It was 3 stories tall, had 100 rooms.
3 stories tall.
Wasn't D-shaped, it was more or less a flat one, but again, had a plaza across the front. What was remarkable here, though, you can almost see, if you look straight to the right out here on the cliff, there's a staircase. Do you see it? It's chipped in. It's where there's a shadow.
Oh, I see it now.
Right across
You aren't looking far enough to the right then.
But
Oh, yes, I
a
see it.
staircase. These people chipped staircase. It connects to a Chacoan road up on top. But there are 6 of these that come out of the canyon.
How far over is it? Oh, I see it. I got it. Yep, I got it.
To chip these staircases up the side of the cliff.
Look at it.